side. Shit, walang nahuli. Oh, that's good. It's still good. Careful on the choke, ah. They're gonna be engaging on the choke. Alice is engaging, nice one. That's a good catch with Alice. Everyone, go. Careful. Did they engage?
Hindi.
Walking down the choke. Because ito sino hold them in there. Ay na pinatutunan na tayo. Hello? Everyone?
They're down the top, man. They're down the top. They keep fighting.
Yeah, cross on the choke.
They're going inside 20.
Choke. Sino yung nag-GGA?
Sa kanila yun.
From where? Walk east. Can you angle south, everyone? Angle south. I'm here. Angle south. We're looking north now. That's why you're too far. Okay, everyone, we're looking north. Everyone, after this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch them here. Nice one. Come east side. Disengage inside. Disengage east side. Everyone, you're walking north. Disengage east side. Walk north. Careful on the choke. They might turn ha. Careful on the choke. Magaan lang ako ng recorder saglit ha. Kasi di ako makapag-on kanina eh. Listen na when you send this guy. Alright, everyone. We're gonna engage up the choke. Everyone walk up the choke. Prepare defensive ha. Prepare defensive. Wala tayong masyadong ano. West side. Wala tayong anti-tank eh.
Tingin sila.
We're gonna headbutt the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch at the back. Yung gagwa. Can you take this gagwa? That's the HOJ. Everyone walk west. Defensives get ready.
Wala silang engage.
Come west side. You take careful lang. Okay, walk south. 10 seconds, you're gonna engage. Yo, step up. Pop your boots, ha. Pop your boots now. Catch up, everyone. We're gonna look south. Don't choke, ha. Right back ako, never mind. Keep walking south lang.
Ituloy mo lang, hanggang sa set.
South. Sige. Check your display, just pop your defenses. Keep continuously popping their defenses. Alex will be cutting them off ha. Come south. Everyone south. Alex will be cutting them off. Come south, west side now down the choke. Careful on that small choke. Huwag gusto nyo yung Alex. Sige, everyone. Walk west. Tain up side, di natin maka-choke sila. Gusto kong ako na lang mag-top eh. Come west side, ako lang may night helmet. Come west side. We're gonna delete the attack ha. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang, yung nasty. Kill that. Kill nasty. Next one. Walk north. Ano, 30 pitas na lang tayo ng tank. Tayo makaalis, hindi ko tayo ng pulling ditch eh.
Ulit sila sa wall.
Ayan.
Huwag lang tayuan niya.
Yeah. Ito akong east. We're looking east. Everyone, we're gonna catch. Yung mga nasa nahuli. We're gonna catch. Yung mga nahuli sa choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang sa choke. Delete this choke. Wala pa rin. Up lang naka-ante. They're gonna be turning. Wala, never mind. Nag-GA sila. Calm down. Everyone, calm down. Everyone, calm down. I'm gonna do the choke. Just calm down. Everyone, calm down. Then walk east. Come down the east side tayo. Next one, everyone. Come west. We're still good. Kainap lang, hindi ko pwedeng...
Yung locus nila, pop yung locus
Yeah. Look west side. Right, let's try to catch them. Let's crash this tank again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Sarap na yan. Everyone, ito nakikita niyo ba tong sige, everyone walk in north na lang. Ikip guarding yung tayo napipitas eh. Walk north. Wala tayong anti-tank guys.
Duster too deep ha.
Careful in the choke.
Hodge, just engage.
Yeah. They're looking. Patch, everyone. Help. Focus. Let's try to catch this. Catch the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito na sa harap natin. Sa crown. Delete this stuff. Delete. Ay, nang kukunat naman ng mga mother power na to. Come south. Careful ng choke, ah. Careful ng choke.
Going east na.
That's fantasy rally. Yeah. Walk down the choke. Careful to the flying niya. With the allies. Bawang engage.
Build that, ano?
Patay mo ng healer. Nice one. Walk east.
Naglag yung space ko to, naglag to.
Tayo kayo mag-catch up everyone, thumbs up, disengage kayo west side, then mount up. Disengage kayo west, then mount. Nakita niyo yung dinaanan nating west side na choke. I'm here up the choke. I'm here pinging, everyone. Disengage west side.
Okay.
Come down south muna tayo ulit. Hindi sila natin.
Bomb squad yun, may BS yun. Kasama na ito.
Going where?
Yeah, come here. Here. North.
Hirap talaga, gogo.
North of the choke. West side. I'm here west side. We're gonna catch them. Come west. Sige. Come south pa. Don't get caught. Maka-engage kayo. Baka engage kayo. Come west pa. Dito sila pupunta. Come west.
Happy.
Baba ka na choke. Dismount and you find the crown. Yeah. You're gonna engage down the choke. Where are you guys? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang, shallow. Fail. Come south. Walk with them southwest. Walk with them west. Walk with them. Brawlers, Valdamina, but careful. Get ready to defensive stuff.
Naikutan sila. Go.
Kaya Alex. Come side. Ayun ang ano yun.
Looking.
Wala pre, nasa pinakalikod ako.
Jeep na, wala na ang lead.
Oh, everyone, walk north. Gonna-engage north, ha. Catch the backline. 5,
Catch now.
3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Ito nasty ulit. Nag-regale ka na naman. Delete this nasty guy. Wala. Kami side. Sige, keep rolling nasty.
They have engaged yung control.
Cross the choke corner. We're gonna engage 8 seconds ulit, ha. 8 seconds. 5 seconds down the choke. Walk down the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the choke. Wala, keep going. Mabilis defensive sila. This is Meerkat, pre. Di lang sila basta-basta. Mabilis defensive sila. East side kayo. Don't walk down huwag kayo dyan sa choke. Let the allies walk into choke. East side kayo. Nice one. Everyone, we're looking north. Sige, we're looking north now. East side. Gonna engage 5 seconds. We'll catch them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Can you delete? Patayin nyo na naulo. Wala tayong blood desert, right? Tayo masyado. Yeah. Come north. We're walking north now. Sige, this is the battle of experience, guys. Nagre-regale lang sila. Din sa. Come on, walk north. Careful. Hindi, engage natin yan. Careful lang. Huwag mo na kayo akyat. Ay, walking. Get on the east side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, shallow. Itong Fumo. Kill that Fumo guy. Wala. Ano yan? Anong kayo sila? Come side. Ayun, vortex. No, never mind. Come to the vortex.
May blood na.
Yeah. Come to the Terry. Everyone walk towards the Terry. If you're 2 back, mount up. Pop your boots na. Come to the Terry.
May breath. Safe ka ba? May kita mo.
Opo. Naiwan isa.
Madali.
Hindi. Tumakbo lang.
Regroupin sila northeast. Ay, northwest. Regroupin northeast.
Pasok yata kayo. Pasok kayo ng Terry. Everyone pasok kayo ng Terry. Don't follow the allies. Pasok kayo ng Terry, everyone.
Ito sila, Ventive.
Yeah, just out.
It's Brazy challenge na, iba na to.
Sige, everyone.
Finding content na, they're going southeast na, iba na to.
That's right. That's what's gonna happen. Don't break any OC. Everyone party chat now or guild chat. Tignan ko kung ilan yung casualties kanina. The best kayo namatay, lagay niyo